won't believe this tekitil disappeared in less than 30 minutes, guys. Hello, lovelies. Assalamu alaikum. Welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Sue. I make food, lifestyle vlogs, DIYs, and more. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing how I made one of my favorite growing up as a child, fried tekitil, aka TSOFI, aka adukugui in the Ewe language. Correct me if I didn't get it right. So, in a heated pan, I added my already washed, cleaned tekitil. Then I added some diced onion, and then I followed up with some spices. Please, I'm going to leave full details of the spices I used in the description box, okay? But then I used, first of all, diced onion, about a quarter cup, some vegetable bouillon, garlic powder, paprika powder, ginger powder, curry powder, nutmeg, black pepper powder, 4 pieces of cloves, chili powder, rosemary, some chicken spice, and salt to taste. Okay, then I stirred it, and then I added about 1 cup of water. Okay, so I could use it to steam it, and then I'll be using the stock or the broth of it later for another recipe. Okay, yeah, so I'm going to cover this and allow it to cook, or would I say to boil or simmer or steam for about 5 minutes. Then I came back to it and flipped it over, so the other side of it would also be well cooked, because I want a clean TSOFI. Okay, I've not tasted this for a very long time, like I mean almost 10 years now or over, if I'm not telling lies. So after 5 minutes, the other side of it also is well cooked. Now is the time to take it out. So I took all out, and I stored my stock, like I said I'll be using for another recipe. I washed the frying pan and then replace it back. Then I added my oil. By then the tekitil has been resting, because I don't want it to splash. You have to give it time, okay, so that it will dry up a bit. So to aromatize my oil, I added a quarter piece of onion, 1 clove garlic, and 1 bay leaf. Okay, this will aromatize your oil and add some flavors, okay, to it. Then I started dropping in my tekitil one after the other. Guys, like I said, growing up as a child, this is one of my favorites, and I only got to enjoy it when my mom would travel to Togo for business, and when she's coming back, I know she's bringing me some TSOFI or 1,000 and abolo. So so let's cut it there and give the TSOFI a flip. So after frying for about 5 minutes or so, until it is golden brown, as you can see, I flipped it to further fry the other side, okay, until it is nicely fried. And guys, the aroma here, believe me, you need to try this recipe. So our teki or TSOFI is well fried and is done, and the perfect time to take it out from the oil. Guys, like I said, I so much love tekitil, but then came a time when there were rumors like tekitils is full of what. So I just cut it as a like when I started growing up and understanding things, I stopped eating. But then until I traveled here, I've never tasted it. So last I went to the supermarket and an halal shop, and I saw one. I said, why not try it again? Because this has been one of my favorites as a child. So I bought it. Be like, when Hobby came to see it, he was like, TSOFI. That's why I said this thing finished in less than 30 minutes. So guys, everything is okay, like well fried. The aroma, like I said, you need to try it. So just look at the inside, well cooked, and it was crispy and delicious. This you can enjoy with yam, you can enjoy with okay, we enjoyed ours with fries, french fries, and it went so well. Like I said, in less than 30 minutes, it just disappeared. I hope you enjoyed this episode. I hope you try it and give me a feedback. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel, okay, and like our pages. Till then, wassalamu alaikum.